Today we talk about how can you add your phone number on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on edit profile. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find your phone number here. Add here your phone number. When you just add it here, you click on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.